Okay, we are at this again. I thought that we had a winner chosen, but unfortunately, we had a violation of the terms and conditions of the giveaway. Apparently, our winner had been using some performance-enhancing drugs. No, seriously. One of the terms was that the winner had to be from the United States, and the winner was Canadian. So, as a result, we're going to draw for the Shopsmith again. So I've got all the names back on the wheel, with the exception of John. Let's start this. I think I set this for 30 seconds or so I guess we have a moment to talk. Yeah, originally when talking to John Malecki, the idea was he's going to be paying to ship this thing, so it's only fair that it stay here domestically. So, here we go. All right. Looks like we are coming to rest. And let's scroll down and see. Dan McFarland is our winner. So, assuming I hear back from Dan, I will send him an email. Dan, reply to that email. Let me know if you're still in. And we can do this again if we have to. But thank you very much. I mean, it's exciting that there's another opportunity for someone to win. So congratulations, Dan, and make it a great day.